Canva Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Canva Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So before we proceed to Canva Affiliate Program, let's start first by knowing the platform Canva, in which it is a popular online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content from simple social media graphics and presentations to complex marketing materials and professional quality design. However, we're not here to create a design, but rather we're here to earn money or commission using the affiliate program of Canva. And in order to do that, all you need to do is to go to the next tab and kindly enter on the search bar Canva Affiliate Program and just click the first link that come up. Or you can simply click the link on the description below, and you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you the overview about the affiliate program of Canva, in which this program allows individuals or companies to earn money by promoting Canva products using the unique affiliate link. And also the Canva affiliate program is run by Impact, which is an affiliate tracking software that's reliable and easy to navigate. And the program is available via Impact Affiliate Network, and affiliates can earn commission up to 6.5%, and also, if their invitees subscribe, to have a premium account in Canva using their affiliate unique link. And if you have a concern or question, just go to this FAQs section right here, in which below here it will show you some of the questions that are frequently asked, and below are the corresponding answers, including the question, what is changing with Canva's affiliate program? And you will see their answer that they shift the focus of the affiliate program towards a content creator-driven approach. And below, you will also see here other kind of question about the affiliate program of Canva. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you will see here some of the article that people also view. We have here about Canva Creators Program, Canva for Nonprofits, ways to promote through creator templates, and also about Canva for Teams. And if you want to view those kind of articles, all you need to do is to simply click on it, and you will see the details about it. Such as, for instance, these ways to promote a creator's template. By simply clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you the list of ways of how to promote your creator templates. And aside from affiliate program of Canva, you could also visit the canva.com/contributors, in which from here, it will also show you how you could also earn money on Canva by being a contributors, in which you can sell their photos, stickers, videos, and graphics online through the Canva platform. And below here are the step-by-step process on how does it work. We have here the first one is to become a contributor with a single click. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply upload your work, including graphics, photos, stickers, and also videos. And after that, you can earn every time the users of Canva use the item of your design in creating their own presentation and also project. However, it says here that due to the popularity of a contributor program, they have paused the sign-ups. So basically, the sign-ups are now temporarily unavailable. So now going back to this page, in order to join to the affiliate program of Canva, it says here that they are currently using an affiliate management tool, which is this Impact. So in order to create an Impact account, just proceed by clicking this Impact hyperlink text in here. And you will be directed on this page, in which all you need to do is to sign in by entering your email address and your password, or you could also sign in using your Apple ID, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or even your Google account. And after signing in, you will be directed on this homepage of impact.com, in which it is a technology platform that specializes in performance marketing and affiliate marketing solutions, in which it offers a suite of products and services designed to help businesses, advertisers, and publishers manage, track, and optimize their marketing efforts, particularly in the performance-based marketing space. And now, as you can see under the homepage of it, you will be able to track here the total earnings, total pending, your balances, and below, you could also see here the snapshot, including the number of clicks, actions, payouts, sale amount, conversion rate, and many more. While on the right side panel of it, it will show you the tracker links for a specific program that you join as an affiliate. And that tracker link will be the one that you will use in promoting the specific product for the program that you join. And if you scroll down below here, you will be able to see some of the product that you can join as an affiliate. We have here Sentry PC, the Fill Meal, Half Day Travel, and many more. However, since we're trying to join to the affiliate program of Canva, the next thing that we need to do is to simply click the brands on the top panel of it, and it will show you a sub option such as Find Brands, My Brands, Invites, and Proposals. And in those options, kindly click the Find Brands option, and you will be directed on this page. And from here, you will be able to see all of the brands that you could also join as an affiliate. But since we're trying to join to Canva affiliate program, all you need to do is to go to the search bar on the top right corner, and from here, just enter the word Canva. And as you can see, there's no result that show, or there is no data that reveal when we type the Canva brand. So maybe there's an error at the moment. So you could also do the same process of finding or searching the Canva under the brand in Impact platform. Or you could also refresh your website in order to see or to find the Canva platform. And aside from that, you could also use the categories on the left side panel in finding the Canva platform. However, if you try to find the Canva platform under all brands of your Impact account, the next thing that you need to do is to simply apply to the platform of Canva, in which this is how it works. So I'm just going to show you how you could also apply to the affiliate program of Canva using some of the program in here. So by clicking the apply button, it will show you a pop-up window in which it contains the details about the Canva affiliate program, such as the payout details, the condition, and also the schedule of it, the general terms and condition, and also the other overviews about the Canva affiliate program. And to proceed, just click the apply button to continue, and it will show you that your application has now been submitted. So let's assume that the application that I have submitted is for Canva affiliate program, and the next thing that you need to do is to wait for them to respond if you're eligible to be part or become an affiliate of Canva. And if you're eligible to be part of their affiliate program, you will be able to see here on the right side panel, under the Create Link section, it will show you a unique link from Canva, in which that tracker links is the one that you will use in promoting the Canva platform. And if the invitees try to click your link and subscribe to have a premium account on Canva, you will get the commission, and the commission that you will get will be automatically reflected on your Impact account in here. And if you want to track the reports or the performance, just click the reports option on the top corner, in which by clicking on it, you will be able to see here the performance by brand. For example of Canva, you will be able to see here the progress of your performance as an affiliate of Canva. So that is just how you can join to Canva affiliate program. Thank you.